Can talk to the thing. Hey, g'day ice cream lovers. My name's Steve Christensen, again here at the Ice Cream Expo in Harrogate. Now, we talk about characters in the ice cream industry. This man, Philip Mancini, is a true character of the ice cream industry, and I don't even know what he's talking about because he's Scottish. I don't know what he's talking about. I don't even understand him. So, mate, hold this cup up. Last night, what trophy is this?
This is the trophy for the Blackcurrant Sorbet. I need to apologise, I was having a couple of sherbets last night, so that's why my voice is a bit rough, and a wee bit of singing and dancing.
I think there was more dancing than singing, so I don't know what your voice is.
What you've got to do at these events, but to win this it's amazing. I've won a number of trophies over the year.
Well, last year, was it last year or the year before that you won the Champion of Champions?
Champion of Champions, that's correct, yes. Wonderful feeling. And you're sitting there even last night, hoping that's going to happen again.
Right.
But hey, I'm not disappointed. To walk away with any Ice Cream Alliance trophy is a fantastic feeling.
Mate, so tell me a little bit about it. I'm watching your Blackcurrant Sorbet to make sure that it doesn't melt. So tell me, where can people find more about Mancini's? Where are you based? What do you do?
Well, Mancini's were based in Ayr, on the Ayrshire coast, 30 miles south of Glasgow. The company originally started way back in 1913 with my grandfather Antonio. Came over from Atina, near Casino.
Do you need me to take care of this
while
you're
sure look
talking?
after you. You eat that one. You eat that one. My father was involved in the business. I get involved in the business. I'm third generation. The old Royal Cafe is a typical Italian ice cream shop, fish and chip shop.
Right.
But over the last 10 years, the business has diversified drastically. Now I'm more of an ice cream man at weddings, which I specialise in. I've got a lovely niche market. Bit of a cross between the Marx Brothers and the Wedding Crashers. But I will make so many brides happy.
Now, that's a line that's got to be interpreted. So he said he's a mix between the Marx Brothers and the Wedding Crashers. I don't know whether you'd want either one of them at one of your weddings.
You want me at your wedding. And your guests will have the most amazing ice cream, some of the most amazing alcoholic slush. But 3 years ago I semi-retired.
And you're still here.
Wonderful. So for a part-time guy making ice cream and still winning prizes, terrific. But at the end of last year I was getting itchy feet again. And I missed the last night of the old ice cream parlour. So 2019 we've got a new ice cream parlour opening up.
Really?
On Prestwick Seafront. Working on it at the moment. Hopefully open by the 1st of April. Nice Italian, salami, coffee, pizza, slice of pizza.
Nice.
Wonderful ice cream, bit of fun. Just hope the Scottish sunshine comes back out again.
Right. Well, we've got a bit of sunshine here. Do you share the British sunshine or no? You have your own?
Well, 2 weeks ago, if I was to show you a photograph of walking along the beach, you would go, wow. Sunshine, the snow on the hills of Arran.
Right.
4 days later, 30 mile an hour winds blowing and Storm Eric's putting the water up in the air. It was amazing. So it goes from one extreme to the other.
Right.
But the Ayrshire coast that's why Donald Trump came to the Ayrshire coast. It's a wonderful place. Wonderful place.
Well, mate, hey, so where can people find out more about you online?
Online is Mancini's icecream.co.uk. Sorry.
Right.
There's a new website getting done up as well. You'll get me on Facebook. I usually stand there with a lovely lady beside me. That's my tradition. But if you want the best, just give King Kong a shout.
Mate, well, hey, let me shake your hand. Congratulations.
Steve, lovely.
And it's been great to kind of get to know you over the past couple of years. Again, Philip Mancini, if you come to one of these events and you do nothing more than just watch this man dance, it's money well spent.
I'm disappointed they haven't asked me for Strictly Come Dancing yet.
Keep on scooping, folks. We'll see you in the next video.